In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work on a project with a team on GitHub. Whether you're new to GitHub or just looking to streamline your collaborative process, this guide will walk you through the essential steps you need to effectively manage projects with your teammates. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the GitHub repository that you'll be working on with your team. This is where all your project files are stored, so having easy access is crucial. Once you're in the repository, head over to the Settings tab. Here you'll find an option called Collaborators and Teams. This is your gateway to bringing your teammates into the project. By clicking Add People, you can invite your team members by entering their GitHub usernames or email addresses. This step is critical because it grants them access to the project and enables real-time collaboration. Remember to double-check that you're inviting the correct individuals to avoid any mix-ups and ensure everyone who needs access gets it promptly. Once your team has been successfully added to the project, the next step is to clone the repository. Cloning is the process where each team member copies the repository onto their computer, creating a local version of the project. This local version serves as your workspace, where you can make changes, experiment, and develop new features without affecting the central repository. To do this, simply navigate to the main page of the repository and look for the green Code button. When you click on it, you'll see an HTTPS or SSH link. You can use this link to clone the repository to your machine. This step is essential as it allows you to work offline and keeps your work synced with your teammates. Now let's talk about creating branches for your work. It's important not to work directly on the main branch, as this is the central version of your project that holds the official files. Instead, create separate branches for each feature or fix you're working on. This way your work remains isolated and reduces the risk of introducing errors to the main project files. You can create a branch by using the command line with a command like git checkout bbranch_name, or by navigating to the repository online and using the branch menu. Naming your branch something descriptive like feature login page or bug fix header can help keep your team informed about the purpose of each branch. Creating branches not only enhances collaboration by allowing multiple team members to work on different aspects without conflict, but also simplifies the process of reviewing and merging code into the main branch once your task is complete. By following these steps, adding collaborators, cloning the repository, and creating dedicated branches, you'll set your team up for success, leading to a smoother, more efficient workflow. Happy coding, and thanks for tuning in.